Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to tag someone on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, tap on the plus sign, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. And you can tag someone on TikTok by creating a new video and also with existing video, which will be in your mobile phone gallery. And you can tag your friend as well as random person. So let's swipe it to the right side. Now the choice is yours, on which you want to tag. But for me, I will record a video for a few seconds and will mention my friends. So I'm recording a video just for showing you. I recorded a video. The next thing you have to do is tap on this tick icon. And now tap on this option next, which is on the bottom right. And here you can see the option, Friends. Tap on it. Now here are my friend list. I can also tag my friend from here, and also I can search for a person. Just for example, I will search for. So these persons are not in my friend list. So once you select a person, tap on it. Now you can see in the description, that person is now tagged. And on the last tap on this option post, which is on the bottom right, then that person will be tagged on your post. So it was the primary way by which you can tag someone on TikTok.